Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a soft shadow layer style. In this tutorial we will make a soft embedded shadow. Duplicate your text or object layer first. Go to the layer style and select drop shadow. Change color to purple black with low opacity and also increase size for a blurred neutral look. Adjust distance slightly to keep it realistic. Switch the blend mode to multiply. Now add inner shadow for internal depth, lower opacity for subtle contrast, tweak angle under global light to match realism. Your design now looks grounded. Add a gradient background for extra depth. This effect works perfectly for modern